Hello, I'm Turmeric. I reduce inflammation and support strong immunity.
Hello, I'm Cumin. I improve digestion and help reduce bloating.
Hello, I'm Coriander. I cool the body and support digestion.
Hello, I'm Ginger. I improve digestion and boost natural immunity.
Hello, I'm Garlic. I support heart health and strengthen immunity.
Hello, I'm Black Pepper. I boost metabolism and improve nutrient absorption.
Hello, I'm White Pepper. I support digestion and reduce bloating. Hello, I'm Cinnamon. I help balance blood sugar and support metabolism. Hello, I'm Clove. I fight bacteria and support oral and digestive health.
Hello, I'm Fennel. I freshen breath and improve digestion.